Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add music to WhatsApp status. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp and click on status, and you need to try to post a status. So let me select, and here you can see that you will find no option to add music to your WhatsApp status. So how you can add that? You simply need to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your story and select a post and click on next. So basically you need to click on story and select any post, and here in the top you will find the third option, and you can add music from here. So you will find different plenty of music, so you can add music here. Okay, so you can see that music is added, and then you need to post that onto your Instagram story, and then you need to download that story. Once you download that story into your gallery, then you need to open WhatsApp and post that story onto the WhatsApp, or you can also use any video editing app. So this is the only method or solution that you can use. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.